I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step a million more.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following me at least for a couple of weeks, then you know that I did a previous unit with Hairvivi where I created a layered, kind of curled, bouncy, wavy look with one of their straight units, and they actually let me turn this unit into one of theirs. So this is Rain. This is the unit that I was able to design, and she is a wavy layered unit, and this is what she looks like fresh out of the box. So this unit requires no work at all, you guys. When I say nothing, like literally besides like fixing it and like styling it how you want it. You don't have to pluck it, you don't have to bleach it, you don't have to attach the elastic band, you don't have to do any of that. She is 20 inches, she's 160 density, the natural hair color. You guys know I always say it's about a 1B. 5.5 inches of parting space. I got the cap size in a medium, you guys, and just look at her. Like, I am so happy with this unit. So this is literally her pulling her out the box, and I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like putting it straight on. I tried not to edit anything out just so you guys can see that this is literally it fresh out of the box. So yeah, I'm just going to be quiet and let you guys see me do the styling of this unit and putting it on. If you guys want any further details, I go into it a little bit more at the end of the video. The slow-mos are also there if you want to see that. And yeah, just keep watching, guys. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and take my pressing comb and flatten out some of the areas that may have puckled up, you know, like during transit when the hair is getting shook around in the box. But Hairvivi does do a pretty good job at positioning their units in their boxes to where it has like the shape of a head, so you don't have to worry about those weird creases in the lace and stuff. And their box is pretty deep. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my Lovely Beast Edge Control and tame some of my flyaways. So if you see a lot of flyaways on your unit, that's just the other end of the strands from when they tie the hair into a knot. Usually companies leave it, I think, about 2 inches, but they leave theirs at 4 inches to make it a little bit longer and to lay a little bit better. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take these flat iron slash curlers, and I got them from Sally's, and curl a few pieces that may have got messed up but this unit is a wavy unit. When you wet it, it's not going to be bone straight like the original unit that I did style. And yeah, you guys, I realized that I did not powder my lace, and you guys know that I always powder my lace with foundation to make it look a little bit more realistic and make it look more like my scalp. But I just realized that I didn't have to do it to this unit, y'all. Hi guys, so I know a lot of you guys are used to me doing my talking in the beginning, but I was so blown away by this unit that I was like, no, I need to just get straight to it and let them see this unit shine, you guys. Like, when I say that Hairvivi has literally hit the nail on the head with this unit, they did an amazing job. They literally made it, oh my gosh, they literally made it how I pictured it, how I tried to make it, you know. Like, they did such a good job with the layering, they did such a good job with the bounce and the curls in it, they did such a good job with the hairline and the parting and the bleaching and the sewing in the elastic band. When I say they literally did everything, like, what more could you want with the unit? Like, it is not glued down, you guys. Like, it is not glued down. I pulled it too far for it. It is not glued down at all, so it is a glueless unit. Of course, you know that if you're going to like pull it up and do a different parting, because it can be parted anywhere in the front. It's not a full lace, but it goes back 5.5 inches. But yeah, so of course, if you guys are going to pull it back and things like that, then definitely, I know I don't have to tack any of this part down at all. Maybe the ear tabs, if you want to pull it back, or if you're nervous about this blowing up, I would just put a little gel or a little bit glue, a little bit of glue, tongue-tied because I'm so happy. A little bit of glue and tack it down right here. I'm not going to do that because, yeah, I'm not worried about that. And if it blow back, it blow back. People know I wear wigs, so what, you know? So of course, you guys know if it's not plucked enough or plucked to your liking, you can definitely go in and pluck it a bit more. I would say that if it's not bleached enough, you can go re-bleach it, but it is bleached perfectly. Like, no little dots are showing. If the elastic band is too small for you, then you can go ahead and just cut one of the corners, and you can either add a piece in, or you can cut the elastic band out and just re-put your band exactly where this band is, because they literally put it in the perfect position. If the elastic band is too big for you, then all you have to do is cut one of the sides enough to where it's tight enough for you, and re-sew it back down to the same spot that they had it, and it should be perfectly fine. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys that I have so many videos planned for you guys. I have so many giveaways planned for you guys. I'm just really trying to get everything put together and make sure that I have time to get everything going. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, you need to be, y'all. Like, I have so much stuff planned for you guys. I know I've talked to a few of you guys through like DMs and Twitter and stuff like that. But yeah, stay tuned definitely for those. Again, all the links for this unit will be down below. My coupon code is Bryana, B-R-Y-A-N-A, and it is permanent. You do not have to rush. You do not have to be like, I gotta get it right now because it's gonna expire. It's not gonna expire, you guys. You guys are good. Yeah, I really love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.